Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into one of the top rated IT management software, which is Ninjaone. So here's a quick review and a little bit breakdown about how this IT software works. So let's dive into it. The Ninjaone is a cloud-based IT management platform that gives the MPS and the internal IT teams one unified dashboard to monitor, manage, and automate endpoint across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It packs features like remote control, patch management, scripting, asset tracking, antivirus integration, and the automated workflow, all designed to cut down on manual work and keep systems secure and up to date. Ninjaone is intuitive. It comes with intuitive interface and strong automation tools that makes easy onboard device and skill support without adding extra headcounts, which is why many users rate it highly among the IT management solution. That said, the Ninjaone pricing can be higher than some competitors, and smaller business with minimal IT need might find its full feature set more than they actually use. And a few users also note that the advanced reporting and the customization sometimes require a learning curve. In my opinion, I actually think the platform stand out as a top-rated IT management tools for teams that need broad endpoint control and automation, but very small IT setup might prefer a lighter or more budget-friendly option compared to this platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.